What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you this Molle seat back organizing panel. A company called Onetigris shot me an email saying, hey, do you want to try this little seat back organizer? I usually get a lot of emails from companies that make stuff in China. They make headlights and stuff like that, and they always kind of try to send me stuff. But I already got the headlights done, so I figured this looked kind of neat, so I figured I would give it a try. So we're just going to kind of show you guys kind of how it works, and a little install, and then kind of filling it up with stuff, and then kind of talk about whether it kind of works with the TJ or not. Alrighty, so it gets set up kind of like this, and then I have the buckle right here. We have another buckle over here. So that's the bottom one, and then the idea for the top is on like a normal car that has the headrest with the two posts. You attach this piece up here, and then that kind of wraps around it and kind of has a little bit probably more load bearing. But obviously with the TJ, we don't have a headrest. It's kind of built into the seat. So I just have it where it kind of straps around here. So we'll grab this strap here, click it on. Okay, so it kind of just goes around the, so as you can see, the bottom strap is kind of hidden in the crack of the seat here, which is kind of nice. And then the top one is kind of just sits across here like that. So next we're just gonna load this thing up with just some stuff and see how it goes. All right, so we got the panel installed here. Got the Mark 18 in there with this little bag that they provided that kind of fits the buttstock nice. And then it's just got a little strap up here that you can take off, slide it out, and then you can pull your rifle out. It just straps down nice and relatively sturdy. Like I said, with the TJs, it doesn't have that headrest, so you're not really getting all that load bearing that you would get. This is just kind of basically being held on at the bottom here and here. It does an okay job. I don't think I would keep it here. What I'll probably end up doing, all right, so another spot that I think is probably better than the seat back is on the tailgate of the TJ. So I don't think you'd want to use the straps because they sit on the outside, doesn't look great. But one thing you probably could do is there are holes here. You could probably, if you wanted to, you could screw this to the actual tailgate itself, and then you could hang things that would be very sturdy. All right, so here it is set up on the back of the seat. I think this is probably the best spot in the TJ if you don't want to drill into anything like that. This is probably the best spot for it. But yeah. If you just had some lighter stuff, this probably wouldn't be an issue at all. But just so you guys know, if you guys are going to load it up with some heavy stuff, you probably want a, normal car that has the posts for the headrest. But yeah, seat goes back. Obviously, it's got some extra weight, so it kind of moves a little bit. But that's what it looks like there. Still tilts forward, a little heavier, but yeah. It comes with a bunch of bungees as well. So if you want to like bungee some stuff up in there, you can definitely do that. But that's just what it comes with, and it comes with these like Velcro style straps. But yeah, overall, kind of cool. Something different. I figured it was kind of something different to show you guys. And yeah, I did say that I would leave a link in the description to this. So I'll leave a link to this if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, so anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.